Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 sites that will pay you $100 a day. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, but make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these sites. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And as soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these sites. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of this website is Upwork. Now, Upwork is a website that you can come to and provide your skills and services to people. And you can charge anywhere from $5 to $10 to $20 to $30 an hour, depending on how good you are with your skill or talent that you have. So here are some of the skills that you must have to be able to make money on this website. Is development in IT, design and creative, sales and marketing, writing and translation, admin and customer support, finance and accounting. So if you have any of those skills, guys, you can come here and start charging any amount an hour, and you can start making some good money really fast on here. So that's all I'm going to talk about this website, guys, because it's basically straightforward and it's similar to Fiverr. You know, I've talked about Fiverr a lot of times on my videos. So it's similar to Fiverr, and you can just make some good money providing your services and your talent. So to get started on here, go to Upwork.com. Now let me go to the second website. Okay guys, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is Clickbank. Now you may have heard this website before too. So this website has digital products that you can promote and make money. So it says here, find top promoting products to promote and get paid on time every time. And as you can see here, it's empowering entrepreneurs and online brands in over 200 countries, over 20 years, with over 4 billion paid, guys. So they can dish out a lot of money to affiliate marketers on here, guys. And you can be the next one to get a piece of this pie. So right here, you just click on here to start promoting, and that you'll become a affiliate marketer. And if you want to become a seller, you just click right here to become a seller. And you can also be able to grow your online business just by selling on here. So you just click sell and you can get started doing that. So basically that's what this website is all about. And you can make some real good money, guys. You could definitely make over $100 a day on this site. So to become an affiliate marketer, go ahead and go to clickbank.com. Now let me go to the third and final website. Okay guys, I'm at the third website, and the name of this website is Flippa. So it says here, this is the #1 marketplace to buy and sell e-commerce, affiliate sites, apps, digital services, Shopify stores, Amazon FBA stores, and blogs. So they provide a lot of different businesses, guys, that you can buy on here or you can invest in, and you can start making passive income every month. So if you have a little money, guys, if you have 5, 10, 15,000 you want to invest, this is the website to go to invest that money and start making passive income. So let me just scroll down here and show you what type of passive income you will be getting when you invest in these companies. So this one right here, if you had 6,000, you can, after you buy this website, you can start making over $1,725 per month, and it's going to be basically on autopilot because it already has its customer base, it's already popular, so it's getting a lot of traffic to the website, so you won't have to worry about that. All you're doing is just breaking in money in every month, guys. As you can see here, this one right here, you got to have a little bit more money, but if you have 63,000, you can buy this website and start making $5,346 every month on autopilot. So they got several more here, and it's some with lower amounts. You just got to search through here, and as you can see here, is one $300, and you can make $300 a month. I know it's not much, but hey, that's on autopilot, guys. So here's one that's 200, and you can start making $66 a month, no problem. So guys, that's all I'm gonna say about this website. If you want to go ahead and invest in businesses, buy businesses, and start making passive income, go ahead and go to flippa.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I mean, any questions at all about these sites. Now, please, it's very important, guys, share this all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, before I go, I want to do a shout out. I'm trying to do these shout outs every video. So today's shout out will go to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate it. Hope you're a subscriber. Hope you keep watching my videos. Keep hitting that like button. And if you're sharing, keep sharing these videos. Help me, or help this channel, help the Grind family get to 7,000 subscribers. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Really appreciate you guys' support. Keep supporting me, and I'll keep dropping this content. And also, I'll keep giving away free money. So let's grow, guys. Road to 7,000 and beyond. On that note, before I go, I want to say this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and have a prosperous day.